Everyone, buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, and slightly unbelievable car crashes caught on dashcam. Let's go. A sharp curve made it impossible for the car to pass, but luckily, no accident occurred. The car sped up and crashed into the barrier at high speed. While trying to avoid a man on a motorcycle, the container truck knocked down a traffic light. The car, moving at a terrifying speed, crashed straight into a toll booth and flew into the air. A car unexpectedly hit the back of a trailer, causing a serious accident on the road. All parts of the car were completely deformed and unrecognizable after the collision. The container truck was crushed while attempting to overtake the cars in front. The dangerous curve caused the back of the truck to swerve out and collide with an oncoming car. The slippery road on a snowy day led to a series of collisions as drivers couldn't control their vehicles.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Oh my God!
Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there. लगी नहीं बच गए यार
There lies a long shadow.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
like I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Питер, блядь!
Как это он так?
Любимая, нам не позволит уже.
Предназначена для передачи.
Оу!
Что это?
Блядь, сука!
Ты шо это? Left some back. There's an accident. Just when they changed lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my god. Oh my.
Forming church for the big money, those boys.
Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened? Oh my
I
god.
think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah?
Thank God. Oh my. Holy sh. Holy. I have the footage of it.
Pull over. You can.
Also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil. But because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
Probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. I know it might take a little longer from my location. But
No. Okay.
Sending the money.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Oh, wow, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Oh, Jesus.
I think he did that on purpose, but nobody knows why. This car ran a red light and crashed into another vehicle at the intersection. Maybe he was too focused on talking to his passenger and missed the car ahead. Whose fault do you think that was? Luckily, no one was hurt. The car tried to overtake, but unfortunately collided with two other vehicles in the same lane.
It's binoculars, 2 nights live, sing about the opera house, but not in.
The car behind came speeding up and slammed into the rear of the car in front. A truck changed lanes without signaling, causing a crash with two other cars. It seems like neither driver saw this coming. No one's really at fault here. This crash happened so suddenly when the container truck lost control, swerved into the opposite lane, and collided with the car. The car had no intention of stopping as the truck approached, resulting in it getting stuck underneath. The driver tried to swerve but couldn't prevent the crash. The car that caused the accident fled the scene.
No mames.
Bájate, bájate, vamos a ver al señor.
Who do you think is at fault here? Pay attention to the traffic signals and share your opinion. The rainy weather made the road slippery, making it difficult for vehicles. This car tried to swerve to avoid the one in front, but encountered an unexpected problem. The driver tried to run a flashing red light and paid the price shortly after.
That was crazy.
He is the architecture Chad. You know, Lakeward movie wasn't an accident.
Is that the underside of a car? How did it even get there? The young driver seems to be safe, though.
Call it an ambulance right now? Yeah. Okay.
All around section.
You didn't lift your spirits.
The car suddenly lost control and collided with the truck, but thankfully no one was hurt.
Oh, I think if you...
He got tires, so a little bit more, and it was $6,000. You're an idiot. You're a full idiot. No!
A car came out of nowhere, lost control, and caused chaos on the road.
I got all of that on my dash cam.
Gonna be a penalty. And 16?
This man caused a truck accident by going the wrong way and then ran away.
For reason, not no reason.
Why is he just standing there? I hope he's okay after this incident. That man was lucky to have escaped from the car just in time.
Inherently bad for you, but literally every made of chemicals.
Looks like that car ran a red light and fled the scene after crashing into another car. The car behind hit the rear of this vehicle, making the driver lose control. It swerved into the next lane and affected several other cars. The car suddenly changed direction and collided with the front of a truck. But luckily, no one was hurt in the crash. Everything happened so fast that it took everyone by surprise. Why did the driver still go across even though the train was coming? The car was going too fast to stop and crashed into the back of my car. Is the driver okay? He couldn't make it through the gate. The truck driver did his best to swerve, but he couldn't stop as the train approached. A truck suddenly swerved into the car lane and caused an accident. The worker was lucky to escape just before the car came crashing through. I think the driver fell asleep at the wheel.
I don't know if I told you my
The car suddenly sped up and crashed into the rear of the car in front. It might have been an accident, but the truck driver seemed to be driving off without any intention of stopping. What was he trying to do on the road, turning without signaling? The guy reached for his coffee and crashed into the RV. The car tried to speed through the intersection, even though the light was red, causing a collision with another car. Shocking car crashes compilation. Best of ultimate dashcam car crash. Everything happened so fast and unexpectedly, leaving everyone in disbelief. The driver's ability severely affected the traffic situation on the road. A car lost control for an unknown reason and collided with a truck. Thankfully, no one was hurt. The car drove straight into the barrier after crashing into another vehicle. Thick black smoke billowed from the car.